Welcome to the sample flat and show flat of Rustomjee Global City. This is the living room we are entering, the living area. This flat is fully interior decorated, and here is the dining area, and this is how it will look from the hall. The entrance, this is a 360-degree view that I have taken you through. Since it is a fully interior decorated flat, this flat is with the false ceiling as well, though it is not a standard amenity. Now we are entering into the kitchen area. This is the kitchen. We have two parallel platforms here, and the platforms are more wider than the usual platforms. Normally the builders provide two different sizes on either side, but we have provided broader and same size on both the sides. Outside the kitchen you have a dry balcony where you can use it for hanging the clothes for drying. We come out of the kitchen now. We get into the common bathroom. This is the common bathroom with anti-skid tiles with all fittings. We get into the master bedroom. As I said earlier, this is a fully furnished with interior decoration. So these furnitures are not part of the standard amenities. So this is the attached bathroom and toilet, and with anti-skid tiles, with a French window. Now we get into the second bedroom, which is slightly smaller in size. So it can be a children's bedroom where you can have a sofa cum bed or a kid's bed. One of the aspects that I must bring to your notice is a separate niche for the wardrobe. This is the separate niche for the wardrobe, and the same is available in the master bedroom too, a niche for the wardrobe separately. So there is no space wastage anywhere. So this is the fully furnished with full interior decoration. Every room has false ceiling. Every room has storage area and decorative lights. But these are not part of the standard amenities. But this is how you can decorate your flat. Thank you. ये है वो खूबसूरत नज़ारा उस खूबसूरत पोडियम का। 1 एकड़ पोडियम 14वें माले से बहुत बेहतरीन लगता है। बॉक्स क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल ग्राउंड, करीबन 500 लोगों के लिए लॉन, जॉगिंग ट्रैक, बच्चों को खेलने के लिए, और सीनियर सिटीजन का फुट रिफ्लेक्सोलॉजी के लिए वॉकिंग एरिया। इस पोडियम को दोनों ओर 2 लिफ्ट हैं। इस पोडियम के नीचे पार्किंग है, 2 लेवल पार्किंग है। Here is a beautiful view from the 14th floor. The very beautiful podium, box cricket, football, lawn with 500 people seating capacity, jogging track, children's play area, reflexology area. And to access this podium, we have 2 lifts at the 2 ends, and below this podium there are 2 level parking.